Hello there. For a past couple of days, I've been looking at security exchanges in East Africa, and I've been thinking about following some trends for some companies in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. And I was like, why not create East Africa security checks? Just to create one, we will need to scrap data from Nairobi Security Exchange, Dar es Salaam Security Exchange, and Uganda Security Exchange, and that is the task for a data scientist. Yeah, so first things first, let's check the make of the three websites for Security Exchange. So the websites look pretty basic. They have tables that have companies with the last trading amount and the previous trading amount for the three websites. It will be easy to scrap this. I'm going to use Beautiful Soup and Python to try to scrap this. So let's begin with the environments. And I am done. So we have the data here we've collected from here, the Nairobi Security Exchange, and then from the Dar es Salaam Security Exchange we have the data here. After collecting this data, we are going now to refactor this code so that it can fit into the script. We have been able to collect data from the three websites, and now it's time to project them into a dashboard. I think I'm going to use Dash. If it fails, then we'll use ChatJS.
2,000 years later.
Well, after a lengthy time of coding, I've decided to build the app using Dash, and we can see this. From this function, scrapping the web from the three different sites. Then I plot the charts using Dash, and the three different sites, they include the Nairobi Security Exchange, Dar es Salaam Security Exchange, and the Uganda Security Exchange. And the last, the final result is this. So this is the East Africa Security Exchange. The link to the GitHub repository for this code is here, and you can find it in the description.